This is my intro. Hey loves, it's me Destiny, and today I am back with a video on how I retwist my locks. So we're just gonna jump right into it. First things first, make sure your hair is prepped before you retwist it. And by that I mean, like if you have kinky or textured hair, make sure you dampen your hair, and of course moisturize it, add a little moisture to it before you start twisting the hair around itself, because you will cause breakage, you will cause popping. So first things first, I make sure my hair is damp, moisturized, which it is. Then for me, I don't really part. I don't use a comb or anything. I really don't care about my parts, and honestly at this point my hair knows where to go. So all I do is I take my hair, and I'm looking this way because there's a mirror right there, but I take my hair, wait, should it be like this? Ooh, okay, yeah, take my hair, and I literally just gather all the little hairs around itself, as you can see, gather all the hairs, and from this point I finger twist it, and then to help ensure that I wrapped all the little hairs around itself at my roots, I just boop, just lightly. I do not like the effects of palm rolling regarding my locks, okay? Because I don't want my locks to be, you know, all uniform and things like that. So that's why I'm not heavy on the palm rolling at all. So this is it. This is retwisted. So, okay, wait, ooh, sorry, I undid it. So anyway, I do that, and I could just tuck it behind my ear and move on to the next row. Like so. Let's say if I had like a whole bunch on this side, I would use the rubber band to grip the hair lightly and put them all together that way to keep them from unraveling. But honestly, they usually don't unravel. I could just tuck them behind my ear. So yeah, it's that simple. So at this point, I'm gonna just retwist my hair, and you guys will get to see the results at the end. All right. I mean, like, all right, love, so I am actually done. It only took me 30 minutes to retwist my locks, and as you can see, I only used like 4 rubber bands. Right now they're drying, and I usually let them air dry like this, and then pull out the little rubber bands and then go on about my day. All I use to retwist my hair is oil and water, so it doesn't take too long to dry at all. I can just walk around and it'll air dry by itself in about like 2 hours, and then I'll be good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this super short video. Yeah, keep a lookout for my next video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I repair my locks. Take care and have a good one.